Izindaba zehora lokuqala sikwethulela zona bukhoma ekomkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli nazo ezinohlonze emini nje.
The status of our clients was, of course, that they were in the country illegally.
uBellarmine Mugabe oyindodana kalowo oba umengameli wezwe laseZimbabwe Robert Mugabe nasolwa naye uTobias Matonje sebesilaxazile isicelo sebheyili eceleni lokuzama ukubulala nokuphazamisa ukusebenza kwengalo yomthetho.
I was tempted to bring my phone so that I can see if ever I can see my calls which were deleted.
Namhlanje ibuyile inhloko yethimba lobugebengu obuhleliwe esamisiwe uMajor General Richard Shibiri ukuzophothula ubufakazi ngaphambi kwekhomishana kaMadlanga. Njengamanje iyaqhubeka inkonzo yesikhumbuzo yokuqala kalowo owabe engumholi weCongress of the People uMusiwa Lekota eSoweto ngemva kokwedlula kwakhe emhlabeni ngesonto eledlule. Ngikubingelele umbukeli ngikwamukele indaba enze ihora lokuqala igama lami uNoxolo uMamtshali wakwaMwali ihlabangane limhlophe qwa ake sibheke ukuthi namhlanje emini sikuphathele ziphi. uBellarmine Mugabe oyindodana kalowo owabe umengameli wezwe waseZimbabwe uRobert Mugabe nasolwa naye uTobias Matonje sebesilaxazile isicelo sebheyili eceleni lokuzama ukubulala nokuphazamisa ukusebenza kwengalo yomthetho.
uBellarmine Mugabe indodana yalowo engumengameli waseZimbabwe uRobert Mugabe kanye nasolwa naye uTobias Matonje bavele kafushane enkantolo kaMantshi eAlexandra namhlanje. Babhekene namacala ayisikhombisa okuhlanganisa lokuzama ukubulala, ukutholakala nesibhamu nezinhlamvu ngaphandle kwemvume nokuphazamisa ukusebenza komthetho. Lokho kulandela isigameko sokudutshulwa kwesisebenzi sasengadini emzini kaMugabe ose-Hyde Park eGoli ngenyanga edlule. Abameli bacele ukunikwa isikhathi esengeziwe ukuphothula izingxoxo zesivumelwano nombuso nokungasekholele ekutheni abasolwa bawavume amacala abathweswe wona.
It was brought to our attention by the prosecution that the status of our clients was, of course, that they were in the country illegally. We, of course, don't want to waste the court's time. We all understand the processes with regards to applying for bail and the fact that one of the averments you need to make is that you're not a flight risk. So at this point, we want to deal with the matter and its merits. I think everyone that was present at court saw that we postponed the matter for possible plea negotiations with the state and to try and deal with this matter with the seriousness that it deserves.
Ngaphezulu kwalamacala labasolwa babhekene necala lokuba kuleli ngokungemthetho.
You say that they're illegal, but it's still just an allegation, it's still a charge, so it hasn't been dealt with yet.
Icala selihlehliselo lwesibili oluzayo ukuze kuqhubeke izingxoxo.
The matters in transfer back to Regional Court 2 until 17 March this year for plea negotiations. Both accused will remain in custody until then.
Abasolwa bazoqhubeka nokugqunywa esitokisini kuze kushaye isikhathi sokubuyela enkantolo.
Inhloko yethimba lobugebengu obuhleliwe emaphoyiseni uMajor General Richard Shibiri osamisiwe esikhundleni ubuyele phambi kwesithangami sekhomishana kaMadlanga emva kokuthi ubufakazi bakhe buke kwamiswa insukwana ngenxa yobufakazi bukasomabhizinisi waseNorthwest uSuleiman Karim. Ikhomishana kaMadlanga ingenele osukwini lwama-75 namhlanje.
Ikhomishana kaMadlanga iqale ngembuzo ebiyibhekise kakhulu kuMajor General Shibiri maqondana nokuxhumana kwakhe nosomabhizinisi uVusumuzi Matlala. Igama lakhe liphezulu kakhulu kofakazi abaningi aseke babizelwa kulesi thangami. uShibiri uphikile phambi kwesithangami ukuthi wake waba nokuxhumana izinsukwana ngocingo noKhetmatlala ngaphambi nje kokuthi aboshwe.
Are you prepared to accept that a week before Mr. Matlala's arrest in May 2025, you were calling him and he was calling you, and the last call of 9 May 2025 is from you to him a week before his arrest?
Yes, but as I was saying, I remember on this day, on the 9th, I was somewhere in the farms in Mpumalanga. We were looking for the missing Asarindlovu, and we found the bones. And where we were, there was no signal. And I don't see the reason why I could have phoned him. But I remember there was somebody whom we wanted to check with somebody from Mamelodi, but I'm not sure. But I might have phoned him. I'm not sure.
Udabeni lokwehluleka kwakhe ukuhlinzeka ikhomishana ngeminye yemiyalezo yakhe ye-WhatsApp ukhale ngokuthi umakhalekhukhwini wakhe omusha kwakwenzeka uzicishele wena ngokwawo imlayezo ngaphandle kokuzenzela yena mathupha.
As I indicated on my statement, now and then I delete my messages for storage purposes, and sometimes it deletes itself when I forward for a certain period. It is how it is said. And again, as it was indicated when I went to the service provider, my cloud was, well, my backup was not activated.
So
Owabe eyisikhulu emaphoyiseni uLieutenant General Francina Vuma uvele phambi kwekomiti lesikhashana lasePhalamende eliphenya ngeSAPS ukuzokwethula ubufakazi bakhe. uVuma utshele amalungu ekomiti ngokumisa kwakhe emsebenzini ngoNtulikazi wonyaka u2022 udaba lokuthonga kwezakhiwo zeTelkom yeSAPS kanjalo ke nokuthola insongo uma ngabe ehlaba umkhosi ngokungahambi kahle embuthweni wamaphoyisa.
uVuma utshele amalungu ekomiti ukuthi wahlaba umkhosi kubantu abaningana ebazisa ngokubhimba kwezinto embuthweni wamaphoyisa iSAPS. uthi ukholelwa ukuthi umkhuzi wamaphoyisa KwaZulu-Natal uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi kungenzeka ukuthi wabe enolwazi ngalokho ngaphambi kwesithangami asibamba mhla ziyisithupha kuNtulikazi nyakenye. Ubufakazi bukaVuma buphinde bagxila odabeni lokuthengwa kwesakhiwo iTelkom Towers nokuyisakhiwo kwakumele sibe yikomkhulu lamaphoyisa. Uthi wathola izinsongo emva kokuthi ephakamise ukuthi lolu daba ludluliselwe kuma-Hawks.
Immediately after that meeting, I started to receive some threatening telephone calls asking me, or some people saying to me, I must stop that nonsense. Why did I say that matter must be referred to the Hawks?
Uphinde wasola umkhuzi wamaphoyisa kuzwelonke uGeneral Fani Masemula ngokuthi kunamacala angazange afune ukuthi uVuma aqhubeke nawo.
As and when I explained to the National Commission about those cases, he responded to me that, oh, are you still busy with those cases? Why are you not dropping these things and leave them, not continuing with him? I explained, of course, the importance of them and why they needed to be finalized, to be taken further.
Isicau siyaqhubeka.
Thank you.
iDemocratic Alliance esifundazweni iGauteng ibambe isithangami ngenhloso yokudalula olunye ulwazi ngokuphuma esikhundleni kalowa isikhulu esiphezulu kwezemali eminyangweni wezempilo eGauteng uLerato Magyo.
The DA will not rest until Babita's murderer is apprehended and all accomplices to the mass theft at Tembisa Hospital are charged and convicted.
Inhloso yesithangami esibanjwe iDA bekungukudalula ulwazi olusha mayelana nokushiya esikhundleni kwenhloko yezemali eminyangweni wezempilo eGauteng uLerato Magyo. Kulesithangami iDA idalule ukuthi uMagyo usashintsha negama lakhe kanti usezinze kwesinye isifundazwe.
Our information is that she has now changed her name or goes under another name and that she's in another province. I put in another question to the police to ask what progress is being made with the charges that we laid against her. You know, justice needs to be done here. Babita Deokaran was murdered and more than 2 billion rand stolen from, patients essentially at the Tembisa Hospital, and we need answers.
iDA ithi kufanele kwenziwe ubulungiswa odabeni lwenkohlakalo yasesibhedlela saseTembisa.
Please remember, for every rand that was stolen and for every single solitary rand that was given to Lerato Madio, there is a patient who hasn't got care. There is a patient that could have died. And that is the message that needs to get out to South Africa. This is not a nameless, faceless crime.
Kwakumhlazisho umnesithupha kumfumfu nyakenye ngesikhathi iDA imvulela icala lona wayesikhulu esiphezulu kwezemali eminyangweni wezempilo eGauteng. uLerato Madio ubalwa nalabo abayamaniswa netulo lokubulawa kukaBabita Deokaran.
Njengamanje iyaqhubeka inkonzo yesikhumbuzo yokuqala kalowo owabe engumholi weCongress of the People uMusiwa Lekota eSoweto ngemva kwedlula kwakhe emhlabeni ngesonto eledlule. Mbukeli ake sicoshe bukhoma lenkonzo.
Guide us, and may we be worthy of the freedom he helped secure. Let me conclude my deepest honor to Comrade Terah Lekota. When the prisons tried to silence the dream, Terah's voice rose like a wind over Robben Island. When freedom finally walked our streets, Terah stood not in the shadow of victory, but in the sunlight of responsibility. Now the long journey calls him home, yet the footsteps he left upon this soil will echo in the conscience of our nation. For the struggle does not end with the warrior. It continues in those who remember why he fought. Resadisa Hantle Musiwa Mutubadzi. Farewell, son of the crocodile clan. The river of history carried you through storms and prison walls. Yet you emerged with the calm strength of your ancestors.
Mbukeli uDada Morero ke lo bekhuluma laphayana noma okhuluma njengamanje sikhuluma nje enkonzweni esikhumbuzo kaMusiwa Lekota ebanjelwe eSoweto. Okwamanje ke sathi nje ke qu eyitolo kanti uma ngabe sibuye sokuphathela uWT.
We have made contact with him and we have requested him yesterday already to hand himself over to the nearest police station.
Selihlehlisa lo mhlazi ngama-25 kwephezulu icala labahlanu abasolwa ngokubandakanyeka egamekweni zokubulala ngenhloso yokuhlomula emalini yomshwayilense kanye nokukhwabanisa eLimpopo. Sibone sikubingelele mbukeli sikwamukele mangabe usanda kungena utabeni phambili besibika ukuthi uBellarmine Mugabe oyindodana kalowo wabe umengameli waseZimbabwe uRobert Mugabe nasolwa naye uTobias Matonje sebesilaxazile isicelo sebheyili eceleni lokuzama ukubulala nokuphazamisa ukusebenza kwengalo yomthetho. Khumbula umbukeli ukuthi lezi indaba ziyatholakala ku-YouTube naku-SABC Plus. Ungena nje kuze uyicinga amagama athi SABC izindaba nakanjani uzoyithola. Ikhomishana yezokhetho ithembise ngokwandisa isibalo sabavoti njengoba imemezela ukuthi impela sonto yayo yokubhalisela ukhetho lohulumeni beyindawo izoba ngempela sonto yangomhlazi ngama-20 ukuya mhlazi ngama-21 kuNhlangulana kulonyaka.
The Electoral Commission hereby announces a voter registration weekend on 20 and 21st June 2026.
Ukuzibophezela kwekhomishana yokhetho ngokubhaliswa kwabazovota kulindele ukuthi kwenzeke ezinyangeni ezintathu ezizayo. Ikhomishana iphinde yadalula ngezinhlelo zokuthuthukiswa zobuchwepheshe bayo besimanje.
We are absolutely committed to a incident-free registration process. And furthermore, we are absolutely committed to a smooth and efficient operation of voting stations when the election date is eventually proclaimed.
Ikhomishana iphinde yathi isimemezelo sosuku lokhetho singase sibe maduzane njengoba ungqongqoshe zokubusa ngokubambisana uvele enkosini Hlabisa eke wabalula kanjalo phambilini. Kulindele ukuthi ukhetho lohulumeni bezindawo lube phakathi kukaLwezi kulonyaka noma singana ngonyaka ozayo.
That period is not a optimal period to have an election because of some of the reasons that you have articulated yourselves. Firstly, the holiday season in December, the exams in November.
Angaphezu kwamakhulu amahlanu amaqembu ezombusazwe abhaliswe kwikhomishana yokhetho kanti kulindeleka abangaphezu kwenkulungwane abazongenela ukhetho ngokuzimela ngabodwana nokuyisibalo esikhathaza kakhulu ikhomishana.
Liyaqhubeka enkantolo ephakeme yaseMthatha ehlezi elusikisiki icala libhekene nabasolwa abayisithupha abasolwa ngokusoco ngabantu abayi-18 engobozana elusikisiki ngonyaka u2024. Ukuzwa kabanzi ke embukeli sixhumana entatheli yeSABC ufundiswa Mhlekude onkanise khona elusikisiki. Fundiswa asikubingelele sikwamukele into abenze ehora lokuqala emini. Sicela nje ukuthi usibeke esithombeni ngosekuqhubeke enkantolo namhlanje.
Hlabangane limhlophe qhwa namhlanje enkundleni elusikisiki sibona uKolonel Siyabulela kufa yena ke lipolisa elathi lathatha istatement kumangalelwa wesibini uAphiwe Ndende. Apha sibona igqwetha lika Aphiwe Ndende uMawande noKhwali lixambulisa lisithi umangalelwa lo uthi okokuqala eminye imibuzo nempendulo ezikhona kwiform le apho wenza khona istatement zizinto angazange azibuzwe kodwa wabona ipolisa ele lalithatha istatement kuyo lizibhala phansi lingakhange lithethe nayo. Okwesibini uthi njengoba ipolisa lisithi lamkhangela emzimbeni labona ukuba akwenzakalanga zange limkhululise. Okwesithathu uthi ipolisa eli wayeloyika yena umkhanelwa lo uAphiwe Ndende ngoba lamxele wathi efika nje ofisini yalo labe limxelela uba kudala limlindile. Zonke ezo zinto ke uKolonel kufa uyazikhanyela uthi wamkhululisa wabona ba akonzakalanga. Okwesibini futhi wamfundela namalungelo akhe. Ezinto ezipha kwiform zizinto awazixelelwayo uAphiwe Ndende ukuba zizinto ezakwenzeka yilonto kukho nesignature yakhe ngoba besithi esawugqiba ukuthetha asayine phansi. So lisaqhubha ityala lithathe ikhefu nje okwangoku liza uphinde libuye emva kwentsimbi yesibini. Noxolo
Sibonga kakhulu ke fundiswa mbukelo bekufundiswa Mhlekude ubesibikela eselusikisiki lapha esifundazweni iEastern Cape. Selihlehlise umhlazi ngama-25 kwephezulu icala labahlanu abasolwa ngokubandakanyeka ezigamekweni zokubulala ngenhloso yokuhlomula emalini yomshwalense kanye nokukhwabanisa eLimpopo. Owabe eyiphoyisa uRachel Kutumela waboshwa kanye namalungu omndeni wakhe kulo leli cala.
Ummeli wabasolwa abathathu kwabahlanu uthi labasolwa kuzofanele banikezwe ibheyili njengoba kungokokuqala beboshwa. Ngakolunye uhlangothi abasolwa ababili abakabi nabo abameli kepha bayalele ukuba baxoxisane nabameli bombuso.
These accused are the first offender, and being the first offender meaning that they don't have any criminal case against them, so the possibility of them being given bail is available to them.
Okhulumela amaphoyisa uAtlenda Mathe uthi bakwazile ukuxhumana nomunye umsolwa ababesebemnyalela ukuba azinikele kunoma isiphi isiteshi samaphoyisa sondelene naso.
All accused, the defense counsel had already agreed on a date to which this matter should be postponed. That will be for further investigation and possible bail application, as well, if possible, the outcome of the already investigation that is taking place with regard to accused number 4. And for that purpose, this case is therefore remanded to the 25th of March 2026.
Umbuso ube usulihlehlisa icala ukuze uqinisekise imininingwane yabasolwa kanye nokunye.
We've got 10 suspects. We are looking for Robert Shokane, 41-year-old Robert Shokane, who is a twin. His twin brother appeared today in court. There is a J50 warrant of arrest for him. We have made contact with him and we have requested him yesterday already to hand himself over to the nearest police station.
Kusenjalo iNPA ithi necala eliqinile libhekene nalabasolwa.
Umsolwa wesibili ecaleni lokubulawa kaSenzo Meyiwa uBongani Ntanzi eqhubeka nokwethula ubufakazi enkantolo ephakeme ePitoli uthe akazi ukuthi yini emise ebhokisini lofakazi ngoba yena akazi ngokubulawa kaSenzo Meyiwa futhi umshushisi umtshela izinto angamkhombisa ubufakazi bazo.
uBongani Ntanzi uthi umshushisi akangakhulumi iphutha njengoba enkantolo kuvele ukuthi kunesithombe sikamfowabo kaNtanzi asithwebula ngo-2021 esikumakhala ekhukhwini wakhe.
Awukhuluma iqiniso ngiyaphinda for ngithi mina sewuyatshintsha manje lapha ecourt. Lesi sithombe mina ungitshele saka 2021 ngathi mina umfowethu lo lesi sithombe sa 2020 mangingaphosisi lapha ecourt. Ngamalete malanga ecorona bekudlala ibhola ufanele bekhona ekhaya edlala ibhola. Mina ngizengatshena ikhona manje inkosi enkantolo mina bengisejele. Shuthi ngiphuma ejele ngoshutha umfowethu ngaphinda ngabela ejele. Wasuka lapho wathi isikhathi sambili icourt ayiguqa emveni ngalokho.
Ubuzo ukuthi uyavuma yini ukuthi akukho okuhlanganisa isithombe naleli cala.
Zonke lezithombe zamaziko ezidumisa necala lesi. Number 1, lapha ecourt ukhipha izithombe za 2020, 2021, 2020, 2018, 2019. Awukho into etshena icourt ngento kwa 2014 lapha ecourt. Ngisho ifone yami ephambi kwecourt is 2018 not 2014.
Usolo umshushisi wombuso Advocate George Baloyi ngokuthi uthi yena wayexhumana nofakazi nekuyinto angabuvezi ubufakazi balokho.
Utshena icourt wathi mina ngixhumana noAshuzi nami namanje ayikho into engikhombisa laphambi kwecourt uthi nabu ufakazi uthi wena uxhumana noMncube uxhumana noMaphisa uxhumana noNtuli ayikho into engikhombisa laphambi kwecourt. Ingakho yomile phambi kwenkosi enkantolo ukuthi angizazi ukuthi ngimelene nokuthi mina ngibulela uSenzo akaze ngibulale Senzo. Icourt itshela ukuthi siyabulela uSenzo ngo-2014 but mina ngithethe icala 2018 2019 2020.
Icala liyaqhubeka.
Mbukeli umhlahlo wesimo sezulu uzolandela emva kwekhefu. Mbukeli ibeka lapha ke bese kuphathele zona emini oza kwethu bayeza neindaba ngolwimi lwesindebele magamanxa ihora lesihlanu ntambama phinda futhi uhlanganyela kanye nami ke ngehora lesikhombisa kusihlwa khona la ku SABC 1 okwamanje usali kahle.